Welcome back to the Happy Chicken Coop YouTube channel. Keeping chickens in your backyard is a wonderful way to get fresh eggs, put meat on the table, get free fertilizer, and control insects. But not all chickens may be suited for backyard farming. If this is your first time raising chickens, the best ones to get for your coop are Docile breeds. So for today's video, we'll be listing down the top 8 best docile chicken breeds. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also learn more chicken breeds and how to care for them at our website at thehappychickencoop.com or when you subscribe to our daily email newsletter by clicking here. Docile chickens are great if you want to keep them as pets or you just generally want a peaceful flock. They're much calmer than other chickens and they're less likely to startle since you live with them. They also may not need as much space as other breeds since they don't need to roam as much and won't be as active in their habitat. These chickens are easier to have around, especially if you have pets or children. And as a bonus, some of them are also good egg layers, a great way to get fresh eggs or a potential good source of income if you plan to sell them. So without further ado, let's get on to the list to help you decide which is the best docile chicken breed for you. The first popular choice is the Buff Orpington. This breed is one of the sweetest chickens you can get, and they're also beautiful to look at. Despite the name, they're not really muscular. In fact, the term refers to their coloration. With their fluffy yellow plumage, you can compare them to golden retrievers. The Buff Orpington is a large breed, so it's best for people with a bit more space and bigger coops. They're large enough to provide plenty of meat and lay many large brown eggs. They, however, are protective of their young and should be left alone if they have chicks. If you live in a colder climate, the Buff Orpington is a good choice. If not, you may want to check out other breeds in this list. Number 2. Silky. The Silky is an exotic and docile chicken breed that is very friendly and doesn't like to wander. They're also calm and quiet and don't like to scratch and peck. You wouldn't even hear this chicken crowing that much. Like bunnies, they can be picked up and cuddled. Silkies make good pets for people who keep their chickens indoors. They're average layers and produce small white eggs around 3 times a week. They're also great mothers who will take very good care of their chicks. Unfortunately, Silkies cannot handle extreme cold and wet weather well, so people in cold climates may want to look for another breed. Number 3. Coachin. If you want a gentle giant, Coachin chicken is a good option. This breed can reach up to 8 to 11 pounds and come in different colors. Coachins are known for being easy to handle as lap chickens. They're also good backyard foragers, so they'll eat bugs and weeds in your yard. Coachins, however, are not good egg layers, but they're very maternal. Like the Orpington chicken breeds, this big baby was made for colder climates. Number 4. Australorp. The Australorp chicken breed is a friendly clucker recognized as the honorary national bird of Australia. They are considered a cousin of the Buff Orpington, but they differ in the body shape and back feathers with green sheen. This breed is popular for backyard farming and egg production. The Australorp is an average-sized chicken, making it perfect for various spaces. They also hold the world record for egg laying, after an Australorp hen laid 364 eggs in 365 days. Australorps are very hardy and adapt well to warmer climates. Number 5. Sussex. If you're looking for a docile chicken breed that's great for kids, the Sussex and its light and speckled varieties are good options. Used to be an endangered breed, it has risen again in number and popularity thanks to backyard breeders. Being an old breed originating in England, the Sussex is also a good egg layer. Sussexes are friendly and easy to handle, and you would have no noise problems. They don't cluck, crow, or make a fuss compared to other breeds. These chickens do well both indoors and outdoors and could thrive well in hot or cold weather. Number 6. Easter Eggar. As its name suggests, this cuddly hybrid docile breed can produce different colored eggs. Easter Eggars are not purebred and could come from different stocks. A hen may lay blue, green, rose, or brown eggs, but it is impossible to tell until she starts laying them. Aside from their unusual egg-laying ability, these chickens are very friendly and even come up to humans for treats like dogs. Easter Eggars are a great choice for a family flock as they are used to confined spaces and are not sensitive to weather. Number 7. Brahma. Tall, elegant, and imposing. The Brahma is considered a docile chicken breed. Brahmas can grow up to 30 inches tall and weigh up to 14 pounds. But don't let their size fool you. These are some of the nicest chickens you'll meet. Despite being big, they are usually calm, shy, and timid. Brahmas can lay up to 200 eggs per year, but it could take them 8 months to mature, so this breed requires patience. Since this is a big chicken, a larger space is needed, and it is best suited for cooler and drier climates. And last on our list, number 8, Faval. Known for its unique but adorable characteristics, the Faval is also a friendly and lovable chicken. They are known for their silly beard, muff, and extra toe. They look like tiny cuddly grandfathers and would most likely appreciate being loved by you and your kids. Like its relative, the Coachin, the Favals are very docile and get along with everyone. Favals are known for being happy and friendly, and they're also calm enough to be handled often. This French breed is famous for being decent egg layers, about 150 to 180 eggs per year, and having good meat quality. Favals are very active and need lots of space to roam around. It is very cold resistant but does not fare well in warmer climates. If you want to learn where to get docile chickens and how to take good care of them, you can click this link to view the full article. I hope this video helps you decide which next chicken breed to get. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more information on each breed, you can visit our website at thehappychickencoop.com. You can also subscribe to our daily newsletter for more tips and tricks in raising a backyard flock. Thanks for watching!